This is Gare Moore, and I'm going to show you how to locate the line out on any device. First things you're going to need are an old speaker with a physical volume control, not volume buttons. You're going to need a multimeter, and you'll need an audio cable or adapter, and you're also going to need this 0.1 UF capacitor. This is just to block voltage that might be on the board from going into your device. Your speaker may or may not have this already. This first thing we're going to want to do. Oh yeah, and you're also going to need some jumper wires as well. You're going to want to connect one wire to the battery ground. I mean, you could look for it on the motherboard, but I'm lazy. You're going to want to start your device playing.
Need lessons, huh? I'll teach ya.
Probe the board. Keep the volume turned down low.
Pizza is my favorite food. Favorite food. Favorite
Got
food.
the speaker out.
It's also very good. And I want some. With some chocolate on the top. On the top.
There we go. Once you find the line out, you're going to want to mark that point. I already did. And then you're going to disconnect towards the right way. Don't know how I'm going to do this. Yep, we got a clean line out signal. This is also a
record our own CD.
the other one that I found. Get powered on again. Very sloppy.
Pizza is my favorite food. Favorite food. Favorite food. Ice cream's also very good. And I want some. With some chocolate on the top. On the top. On the top. Lots of cake and
Yep,
soda
it's cool.
pop.
It's got peaks of 500 millivolts, so that is a speaker level. Don't hook up to that. This looks. Let's start the next one. This is we found the line out. There's two line out ports.
Bad girl. Talking about those bad girls.
It seems like this isn't.
Bad
And
girls.
just to confirm, we can use our speaker.
Talking about
Here.
those bad, bad girls. Yeah. Eat all the cookies and play.
Yep, this is definitely our line out.
Picking on the dumb babies. Just feels so good.
That's a speaker level output.
Cause they don't know a thing.
Yep, we found. So, this point here, this trace here, Probably should get a flashlight, huh? So this trace that I marked, where my finger is, that's the one that I would want to connect to for line out. That's how you would locate the line out on any doll or device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my stores or donating to my Able account. Links are in the link tree. Goodbye.